a few times during our semester, you are going to check your grades to make sure that you are on top of your work and that you will be successful in this class. So, and this goes for your other classes. It's important to know where you stand so that way you know how to manage your time more effectively and what you have to do in order to successfully complete the course. So your task is to click on the grades button in Canvas. And once you have done that, your grades will show up. And I'd like for you to review your current scores. And then either when you submit your assignment, you can either type it, so you can use your text box to do this, or you can record yourself talking about your grades. So you can either write or record a brief video. So what I want you to do is the following. State what your current percentage is in the class, and then outline your plan for improving or maintaining your grade. So let's say you have 100% in the class, you're still happy with that. I still want to know what your plan is to maintain your grade. And if you would like to improve it, it's the same thing. So for example, you will say that you will make flashcards to review vocabulary, maybe review your notes for 15 minutes each day, reread chapters, reread your notes, take notes while you're reading, maybe ask questions when you're confused. So there are a few examples here. And then of course, you can include whichever ones pertain to you personally or other ones if that's what comes up. And then 3, I'd like for you to include any questions you might have about your work or your grade for this class. And please don't ever hesitate to ask me any questions. Sometimes I have technology problems where grades might not be uploaded the proper way. So please let me know if there is a mistake, and we'll talk, and then we can talk about it and make the proper corrections. So I want you to remember that you have to have a C or a 70% to pass this class. And again, if you need to contact me for any reason, please don't hesitate to do so.